Hey guys, Jim here from Carolina Outdoor Magazine TV. Last week, field staff member Caleb Rice and myself got to go and fish on the Cape Fear River with a really neat bunch of guys that represent a fishing club that does a lot of charity work in that area. We're talking about the Bottom Feeders Fishing Club. We were invited down there by Nick Jones and some of the club members to go down and do a fishing show, catfishing show on the Cape Fear River and talk a little bit about their club. Well, as you know, when you go fishing, a lot of things just don't turn out the way you want them to turn out. Fishing was really hard all day. To be truthful with you, we boated one fish. We didn't actually boat the fish at all that day, but we did manage to get one fish up to the boat that day. Now listen, a lot of guys were out there that day helping us, trying to find fish and trying to get on fish so we could get a show for you, but it just didn't happen. But that's okay, because it's not always going out there and catching a bunch of fish when we do things like this. What's important to me is I get a chance to meet new people and I get a chance to meet new friends. And that's what happened on this trip. We're going back, I guarantee you. We definitely are. One thing we're going to do, we're going to get a show for you from the Cape Fear River with the folks from the Bottom Feeders Fishing Club helping us out. So anyways, what I want to do is, we had a great time out there. We got a chance to fish with Nick and Vic, and what I want to do is put together a short video clip here of some of the highlights that we were able to film while we were out there fishing with the guys from the Bottom Feeders Fishing Club, and just to show you that, you know, we did have a great time out there, and I was really glad to go down there and meet these guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll go ahead and show you these clips of some of the events that we had down there, and we just hope you enjoy them, guys. Yeah, I think we're a little far off a brush pile now.
I got a 100-foot rope too, so we need to
He uses weights, Caleb, heavier than some of the fish people catch on Lake Rodeo.
Every time we fish Lake James, we're talking to people out there. Oh, we ain't caught nothing. We ain't caught nothing. So we done got about 15 this morning. My buddy Bob. There's that lake here.
Manning.
Which one do you want, the truth reel with the big cat or the truth reel with the big cat?
Either one. We don't want the one that's not going to catch any fish.
I thought we had a bite. There you go.
Oh, look at that. Took a chunk right out of it.
I heard that.
Yep, turtle. It was hungry. It was big. It was big.
I got a couple versus rattles too, so.
Okay. You got hooks and stuff?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I got hooks.
All right. I got some packs of them Mad Catters if you need them.
Yeah, I don't have any.
All right.
I think I got some of those whisker chicken rolls.
Do you?
Is that the Charlie Brown one?
You tossing the bait?
Huh?
You got plenty of bait right there.
Yep.
Yeah, we got lures.
Yeah, these things are made for for trolling or whatever in the lakes, but I haven't used them yet.
Little rattlers.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of already got the sponge in it.
Oh yeah.
So you got some weights?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there.
Let me get some of them 2s and 3s. Probably about 4 of them.
3s.
Yeah. I'm act like I ain't gonna get hung up.
You know, that's getting to be an expensive thing with fishing, weights.
Yeah, we're starting to pour our own too.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to start doing.
I've got
Start pouring
two.
my own because, I mean, man,
I've got 250 pounds of tire weights.
yeah.
I work at Salvage
Are
Yard.
you having, oh, did you?
Yeah.
What did they charge you?
I get them for free because I work there.
Oh, heck, man.
That's where I work right there.
Oh,
Right down the street.
I think he's taking it. I'm gonna grab the thing.
I already got it.
Okay.
They definitely got the buffet.
They do.
The buffet.
As long as somebody catches them. What are you going to do?
Screw them up a little bit.
You going to what?
For that night, I got one on me. Don't worry about it.
What's that going to do?
I'm gonna send up the water a little bit. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Bring me one in. It might be 3 pounds, but I'm gonna catch it.
Put some more scent out in the water.
Yeah, that guy whose boat I took out the other day I was telling you about. You can jig your lines off the water and see them on the depth finder.
Oh yeah. That's that Lawrence.
Yep.
Okay. How long is the bottom feeders fishing? How long? Bottom feeders fish.
Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
Hey Jim, how are you?
Scene 1, Apple, take 2.
3, 2, 1.
Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
What do we call this?
This is what we call structure fishing.
Oh, come on. Now.
There's a 50-foot tree right here,
It's the biggest
and
fish of the day.
Nick just had to see how far up the tree he could cast his line. There he goes. Hey, that's a pretty good casting technique. That's where you really wanted it to end up, right?
That's a bank shot.
We ain't got too many more.
Probably won't work any better for us than they do for you, right?
That right?
That's why it's called fishing and not catching.
All right, I got that bad boy right there.
What's that?
A bass.
Oh, I hear you.
I never had much luck with bass today, I tried though.
Bill Vance and see you would have a fit seeing you put him on there for a catfish. Everybody, we're having a pretty decent day out here. Well, we're not having a decent day, but Caleb, he's giving me the camera.
Here we go.
He's trying to be cameraman, but he's also trying to be fisherman. He's got a rod over here, and he's got a rod over here, okay? He's in control of the two rods in the front of the boat, and he's thrown them both out and got them both hung up. So I think what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to hand the camera right back to Caleb and put him right back on his job. You gotta turn.
Thanks, Jim. I appreciate that.
He was running with it at first, wasn't he?
I was gonna say we'll get you on the get you in there.
Man, he was tearing it up.
Oh,
Kicked it loose. Did he really?
Yeah.
Right there where he swirled, kicked it loose, didn't he? No, he's right here. He's right here. That's got to be a gar.
He's swimming this way.
That's a fast moving catfish. It's a catfish.
It's a catfish. We'll see. Let's gotta hope it's a catfish,
We
right?
got the net.
I guess I could get a net.
There it is. Now he's getting the
Oh yeah, he's in the.
Oh, come on.
He got an anchor rope.
What'd you do that for?
Man. Hey, that's all right.
That was a nice
He
fish.
was a nice one, wasn't he?
That was a nice fish.
Wow, way to go. All right. About 7 o'clock, cloudy, getting overcast, getting dark out. And that's the first nice fish we've had all day long.
And I knew I shouldn't have given it to a rookie.
We'll try it again, everybody. Who's missed the most fish on the boat today, everybody? The only fish today, and the captain's missed them both. I thought that was my job. Pull it right out of his mouth.